Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. Today we're going to do a review, a little Sunday lunch, Sunday dinner. I came here last week and the Sunday dinner, last Sunday, the Sunday dinner was lovely. It really was good. And we're here back this Sunday. I'm going to review it for you, show you it. This is Nicky's Bar. Restaurant, that's a motorbike, yeah. Nicky's Bar, Soy Bacau. Right part behind is the Golden Sea Pattaya Hotel. And what we've got today is I'm meeting subscribers here from New Zealand, Australia, America and the good old UK. Home of the roast dinner. So we will have results from around the world on the roast dinner. Let's see what happens. After that we are going to go around and I'll show you a few places. There are interesting guest houses, a couple of mid-range hotels. Fill it up to show you some more places to stay. Nicky's, I do believe, is also a place to stay. We'll find out. Right, so we're in Nicky's Bar and we've ordered the roast dinners. This is Laura, California. What have you ordered, Laura?
Small roast. This
Pork.
is a small?
Pork? Yeah, that's the small. I told you not to get the big one. Yeah. This is John from New Zealand.
How you going?
What did you order?
Small roast pork.
Right, so it's two roast porks. John from England, UK. What did you order? Right. Oh, thank God for that. Small roast beef. Chris from Australia. What did you order?
Used to be hangover.
You can tell the Australians, can't you? A little bit of liquid diets. Okay. And I've ordered the roast pork as well. So John from England's probably saved us. So we do have a review on roast pork and roast beef. There's also roast lamb. There's also beer for Chris. That is the roast pork with a nice sized boat of gravy. This is John's roast beef, which is the same as the pork, only with beef on it. Laura's got hers back. She's not sure what was missing. Oh, the crackling, there's crackling missing. So we're all going to eat up and we'll let you know from 4 countries. As you know, roast dinners on Sundays are very British. So we've got America, New Zealand and the UK trying. We did have Australia in, but he said, I'm having a beer cold. So there you go. And as you know, the roast dinner was invented by England, by the UK, many years. I believe by Henry VIII. All the films you see, Henry VIII, was it 400 years ago? I'm not a historian, but it's roughly about that, I think. And the British roast dinner was invented by Henry VIII, and they loved their roast dinners. He had 6 wives, which is he liked the women, which is pretty much, he loved it. He would have loved it in Pattaya. He really would. He's got a lot in common with Pattaya and the guys here. And also talk about in comedy. He also died of syphilis. Yes. So you know, he's got a lot in common here. And bringing to the next little bit if you do come here to live or on holiday, please wear a condom. Yeah? Yeah, nice bit of Sunday roast in the conversation as we do in England. We all talk stuff like this, all this shit. So anyway, we'll have our dinner, and I think I'll put a few of them off of it. Hold on. And we'll let you know how it was at the end. Right. So we've had three of us had the roast pork, which is 250 baht, which as you saw, and John had the roast beef, which was 280 baht. Chris had a beer. He's had 2 beer now. He's had the Australian. Oh, he's had 3. Just said 3. He's had the Australian roast dinner. And right, results for the results. Miss America, how was it? Was that a thumbs up? 2 thumbs up for the roast pork. New Zealand, John, how was it?
The small is too big.
The small is too big. Yeah,
It's bloody good though.
right. Mr. Roast Beef, Mr. UK, how was your roast beef? Tough. You had a fight with it and it won. Right. The roast beef was a bit tough. 280 baht. English never stopped whinging, moaning. How was the beer? Australia? Yeah, beer's alright. Cold?
Cold enough.
Oh yeah, cold enough. That'll do to them. And I'm a big thumbs up for the roast pork. So that's the review for Nicky's. They have 11 rooms here, 700 baht a night. It's a guest house as well. So England butting it again. Shut. Anyway, apple crumble. Oh, we've got a sweet coming. The roast. That's handy. That roast beef being tough because he's having a sweet as well now. So give us one second for the roast beef to come, and I'll quickly show you an apple crumble because you've never seen one before. Won't be long. Right, so that is the apple crumble with custard. It's 180 baht, but I'll tell you what, it's big. It is big.
Yeah.
So dig in, look at that.
And hot.
Fuck, there was any apple there? Oh,
Oh, yeah, right
yeah,
at the bottom, yeah. It is big, yeah.
Yeah, that is nice. So that's the apple, that's the dessert apple crumble. I have never seen one of these inside the cow. This guy has got to be lost. Wow. There's going to be power cuts inside the cow tonight.
Let me see it. Come on. Then you're on YouTube. Awesome.
Hello. Well, I've come back to finish the vlog off to put out tonight, and Carl's sick. Everything's gone wrong. They said I've got about a 3-hour wait at the garage. I can leave, of course I can leave and go elsewhere. Except, hopefully, and I really do mean hopefully, rainy season has arrived. It's started this morning, and they're saying it's here for like, I don't know, 3-4 days. So let's get the car sorted, but I'm not going to be able to continue at the moment. I'm out on Chonburi Road. But hopefully the next vlog out, I can get the sack of shit, what's it called, the Olympus, the waterproof non-night vision working camera. So we'll get that out, and we'll have a walk around in some, I say monsoon, this isn't monsoon, it's just a rainy day. Hopefully we'll get out and around in central Pattaya where it's all nicely flooded. I'll put my wellies on and we'll see how we get on. So I'm sorry it's come to a bit of a head on this one. The review at Nicky's bar was good, the food was great. 4 countries say so. So that's good, except one of the countries was only the lager. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up, a like, a share. And I'll see you out in the rain. We'll take the Olympus out during the day, pointless of a night. And see you soon with it. Thanks a lot, bye bye.